And here's my loving group coming down behind me.
To the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam. From here you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge. As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet, but as the dam expands towards the base, it reaches 660 feet, or tail race. But in reality, that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake. At the base, you see two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation. Buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the canyon. These are cantilever towers designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon and short out. Now, it has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is limitless, that we have in our grasp the power to
Please come on down to the end with another 9 generators for a total of 17 generators here at Hoover Dam. The lights that you see on top of each generator, if the light is lit,
There you are. What's out there? We're inside the dam. Okay.
Yeah. We are.
Yeah, we are.
I see somebody deposited. There we go. Can you get the
She's
notes?
looking, yes. She's looking outside of the dam, from inside the dam. Okay, gonna take a look at the stairs now. Okay, looks like it's about a 45-degree angle. Oh,
That'd be more like 60.
forever. Yeah. It's more than 45,
It
that's
is.
for sure.
It is.
And then,
Okay, we're going to be talking about what we can see downstream, goes across the thing today is our new highway bridge over the Western Hemisphere, fourth largest in the world. You can see there are people walking on a sidewalk next to the roadway. You're welcome to do that, no extra charge. Parking lot for the sidewalk up on your left-hand side, about a third of a mile up the road from the parking garage here, where you're going back toward Las Vegas. Cableways stretch across the construction site of the
these are the cables from the generators, which are inside that building. And these lines are carrying 230 kilovolts.
The Arizona side. Each of these
The
towers is
intake towers.
395 feet tall. Inside one of these towers, flat down 125 feet. You come to a 30-foot diameter pipe or penstock. Water pours into these pipes. The pipes turn, come around the dam, drop water down to individual turbines. 13-foot diameter pipe. By the time
It's
the water
7 minutes of 2
turbine,
in Nevada,
Now, where else can you walk from?
and in Arizona at the other end of the dam, it's
Another time zone.
7 minutes of 3.
The height of the water is up to that one place.
That's the high water mark.
That's the highest it's ever been. That's not like the normal high, right?
No.
I guess the normal high is about somewhere in between.
Union, out of many one, is inscribed on the scroll held in the eagle's beak and refers to this union. The olive branch and 13 arrows grasped by the eagle allude to peace and war.
All right, KZ3AB. And that was our visit to Hoover Dam on the Nevada-Arizona border, a little bit southeast of Las Vegas. Say hi, Wendy.
Hi.
That's my sister, Wendy. It's Thursday, April 14th, and we're still in Las Vegas at the Planet Hollywood.